Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving the file and scanning for section breaks. This prevents unwanted numbering changes. Next, open the Insert menu and pick page number, choosing top or bottom and a simple numeric style. Once done, if your document contains multiple sections, click into each header or footer and disable Link to Previous. That isolates numbering changes. You do this now because shared headers propagate formats. Separating them lets you apply different numbering methods per section and keeps the rest intact. Now you configure how numbers appear. With the cursor in the header/footer, choose Format Page Numbers to set numeric or Roman formats and pick a start value. For example, start at 1 or continue from previous. If a section needs restarting, set Start at 1. Otherwise, select Continue from previous. To show totals, insert page number, then type of and insert num pages field. This yields page X of Y. Make sure alignment and font match your document style. To finish, update all fields so totals and references refresh. Select the whole document and press F9, or right-click a field and choose Update Field. Inspect any incorrect numbering by revealing formatting marks and checking that section breaks are proper section breaks, not page breaks, and that Link to Previous is off where you restarted numbering. If layout must not change, convert page number fields to static text or lock fields. This prevents accidental renumbering during final edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.